Are you struggling with anxiety, panic attacks, or depression and looking for natural ways to calm your mind and body? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to reveal the top 10 natural herbs that can help you manage these conditions effectively. Stick around to learn how these powerful herbs can transform your mental health. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. One of the most well-known herbs for anxiety and stress relief is lavender. Lavender has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. You can use lavender in various forms, such as essential oils, teas, or capsules. For a calming effect, try adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bath or using it in a diffuser. Drinking lavender tea before bed can also help you unwind and improve your sleep quality. Another powerful herb is chamomile. Chamomile is renowned for its calming properties and is often used to reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. You can find chamomile in teas, tinctures, or capsules. Drinking chamomile tea a few times a day can help soothe your nerves and ease symptoms of anxiety. It's a gentle herb that's safe for most people, including children. Passion flower is another effective herb for anxiety and panic attacks. It works by increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, which helps reduce activity in the nervous system, leading to a calming effect. Passion flower can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Drinking passion flower tea before bed can help you relax and reduce anxiety symptoms. Valerian root is commonly used for its sedative properties and is particularly helpful for anxiety and insomnia. It can be taken as a tea, tincture, or capsule. Valerian root helps to increase GABA levels in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It's best taken in the evening to help with sleep, but some people find it effective during the day for anxiety relief. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body cope with stress. It's known for its ability to reduce anxiety and improve mood. Ashwagandha can be taken as a powder, capsule, or tincture. Adding a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder to your morning smoothie or taking it in capsule form can help reduce anxiety levels and improve your overall sense of well-being. Lemon balm is another herb that's great for anxiety and stress relief. It has a calming effect on the nervous system and can help improve mood and cognitive function. Lemon balm can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Drinking lemon balm tea throughout the day can help keep anxiety at bay and promote a sense of calm. St. John's wort is well known for its antidepressant properties. It's often used to treat mild to moderate depression and can also help with anxiety. St. John's wort can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. It's important to note that St. John's wort can interact with certain medications, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using it. Rhodiola rosea is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body adapt to stress and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It can improve mood, reduce fatigue, and enhance cognitive function. Rhodiola can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Taking rhodiola in the morning can help you manage stress throughout the day and improve your mental clarity. Kava kava is another powerful herb for anxiety and stress relief. It works by enhancing the effects of GABA in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Kava can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. It's best to use kava in the evening or when you don't need to be alert, as it can cause drowsiness. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is an adaptogenic herb that helps reduce stress and anxiety. It has a calming effect on the nervous system and can help improve mood. Holy basil can be taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Drinking holy basil tea throughout the day can help manage anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can help you manage anxiety, panic attacks, and depression naturally. It's important to start with small doses and see how your body reacts, gradually increasing the dosage if needed. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you're on medication or have underlying health conditions. In addition to using these herbs, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to support your mental health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for managing anxiety and depression. Practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can also help calm your mind and reduce stress. Creating a daily routine that includes these natural remedies and healthy habits can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Remember that managing anxiety and depression is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself as you explore different remedies and find what works best for you. Now that you know about some powerful herbs for managing anxiety, panic attacks, and depression, let's explore ways to effectively use these natural remedies. Understanding the right ways to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine can maximize their benefits and help you achieve a calmer, more balanced state of mind. Let's start with the concept of herbal teas. Herbal teas are one of the simplest and most soothing ways to use these natural remedies. For instance, you can make a blend of lemon balm, chamomile, and lavender to create a calming tea that helps you unwind after a stressful day. Simply steep 1 teaspoon of each dried herb in hot water for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. This blend not only tastes wonderful, but also provides a synergistic effect that enhances relaxation and reduces anxiety. Tinctures are another effective way to use herbs. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts that you can take by adding a few drops to water or juice. They are easy to use and very potent. For example, you can use a valerian root tincture to help you relax in the evening or before bed. Follow the dosage instructions on the tincture bottle, usually a few drops in water, to experience its calming effects. For those who prefer capsules, many of these herbs are available in supplement form. Capsules are convenient and ensure you get a consistent dosage each time. Ashwagandha and rhodiola rosa are commonly found in capsules. Taking 1 or 2 capsules a day, as directed on the bottle, can help manage stress and improve your overall mood. Another great way to use these herbs is through essential oils. Essential oils can be used in aromatherapy to help manage anxiety and improve your mood. Adding a few drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil to a diffuser can fill your room with a calming scent, creating a peaceful environment. You can also add these oils to your bath or use them in a massage to promote relaxation. Incorporating these herbs into your diet is also beneficial. For instance, adding fresh ginger to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also helps reduce anxiety and improves digestion. You can grate fresh ginger into your stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. Similarly, adding holy basil leaves to your salads or making a pesto with it can provide stress-relieving benefits while adding a unique flavor to your dishes. For those who enjoy smoothies, creating an herbal smoothie can be a delicious and effective way to consume these natural remedies. For example, blend a handful of spinach, a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, half a banana, some frozen berries, and a cup of almond milk for a nutrient-packed smoothie that helps reduce stress and boost your mood. It's also important to consider combining these herbs with other lifestyle practices that support mental health. Practices such as regular physical activity, yoga, and mindfulness meditation can enhance the effects of these herbs. Engaging in these activities regularly can help build resilience against stress and anxiety. Additionally, keeping a journal can be a therapeutic practice. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process emotions and identify patterns that contribute to your anxiety or depression. Combining journaling with herbal teas or aromatherapy can create a holistic approach to managing your mental health. Spending time in nature can also have a profound effect on your mental well-being. Taking a walk in the park, gardening, or simply sitting outside and enjoying the fresh air can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Nature provides a calming environment that complements the stress-relieving properties of these herbs. It's essential to listen to your body and mind and adjust your routine as needed. Everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Be patient and give yourself time to find the right combination of herbs and practices that best support your mental health. If you found these additional tips helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.